everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back to share the advent calendars with you. First of all, I've got Kim's swap to share with you, and then I've got my mystery advent calendar. I've got the last 3 days of Kim's swap to share with you. So we've got, I think it's 10, 11, yeah, 10, 11 and 12. There was also this little envelope, but this didn't have a number on it. So this, I guess, is a little extra. These are pretty. I don't know what this is. It feels like photo paper kind of thing. It's got some cute little sequins in there. These are really pretty images, Christmas images. You've got these ones. Great for like card mattings and stuff, to make different cards. I like that reindeer one. Really pretty images, and she sent loads. Really pretty. So thank you for sending those, Kim. And then the last little thing in there was this. Here's a little pocket hug, keep it close, all warm and snug. So even when I can't be there, hold this tight and know I care. Oh, that's really cute. So I think you can take this off. Yeah. Oh, that's really sweet. Thank you for sending that, Kim. It's a little gingerbread man. So that's really cute. So those are the extras. Then we're going to do number 10. So this is number 10. It's been so much fun opening all these goodies. So in this one, more of those little sequins. Got this beautiful papers. I think this is from the range. I've had some of these before, and they're really handy if you want to make different projects, like obviously Christmas projects. Oh, this is pretty. I don't have this one. It's got cows. Love the snowman one. Yeah, they're just really easy, like to make cards and things. They're really handy. So thank you so much for sending those, Kim. I love these sort of things for making projects with. And then she sent this little package. I think this is stickers. Yeah, lots of Christmassy, wow, lots of Christmassy stickers, and they're all letters, so they'd be lovely to put on different projects. Yeah, so they're all different letters, so they're really handy. Thank you so much for sending those. They're really pretty and festive. I don't want to lose those, so I'll put those there. And then the next thing, I think these are stickers as well, if I can find opening. I think it was Kim that actually sent me some of these before in a swap. I could be wrong, but these are lovely. They're just really handy again for making projects. You have so many different sayings on there, like there is beauty in simplicity, take risks, fall in love with as many things as possible. So for all different occasions. So you've got like pinks kind of colours, greens, and they all say, yeah, I think all say different things. So loads of different ones. You can always cut these apart as well. Beautiful purple colours. these blue ones, and then those ones. Really pretty. So thank you for sending those. Okay, so that was 10. Now number 11. It's quite sad this is the last day of opening the lovely swap from Kim. It went really quickly. So in this one, wow, she said a lot of bits in here. So she made this cute little embellishment holder. So in here you've got some beautiful wooden pieces. Lots of different ones in there. Snowflakes and snowman, reindeer. Lots of different pretty ones in there. These cute sequin stars. And then in here she's put some sentiments. You've got cookies. Let me just take this out so we can show you what's in this one. So you've got cookie tester, I think that says Santa's helper, merry and bright, mistletoe kisses, and candy cane wishes. They're really cute. You have to let me know what die that is, Kim. That's really sweet, and they're not too big either, which is lovely. And then some more stickers in this last one. I'll quickly open this and share with you what's in this one. It's a really pretty stickers. They're really cute. Oh, I love those. They're really pretty. And that was in this one. And it's so handy because of all these little bags. You can kind of reuse it, and it's just like tape on the back, so I can always just stick that on the back there. It's really pretty. I love the way she's done that. So thank you for sending that, Kim. And then the next thing is this cute little little album that she's made. So on the front cover she's got these little stickers that go up to number 12. She's got these beautiful papers, and then on the back this has got like glitter bits on it, and then you open it up like this. I think these may have been in here, I'm not sure, but in here you've got some more stickers. I think these are like beautiful flower stickers. These ones, really shiny, really pretty. Love the purple. So that was in that one. And then, oh, so she's decorated it like this pocket with some stickers here, and then inside here is all these little cut parts. Really cute. So you've got these ones. It's got little tags. These ones. Really pretty. These ones have got glitter on them. Little fairy ones. So they all go in there. Another nutcracker tag, and then this one, it says best wishes for the festive season. I'm just going to put that, I think that may have been in there, and I just put that in there like that. And then I don't want to rip this. Oh no. Don't know if I'm going to get this off without ripping it. No. Sorry Kim, this is not coming off easily, and I didn't want to rip the envelope. This took a little bit, but and then inside here is lots and lots of die cut flowers, really pretty gold, reds, greens, really pretty. So thank you so much for sending those, Kim. They're going to be beautiful to put on different projects. So I'm going to try and I'll put those all back in there in a minute. So thank you so much for sending those. And then it opens like this, and then in this another little pocket are these stickers. So you've got this beautiful one, got a jar. Actually, I'm just going to grab a piece of cardstock so I can show you better. Might be better, then you can see these. Yeah, that's beautiful jar. Angel, cupcake, that one. Oh, that's cute. Some more of those snowflakes, and that's cute doggy one. So got all these pretty stickers. They're really cool. I love the cookies ones. So that was in that pocket, and on the pocket there she's used this beautiful different cardstock, Christmassy cardstock. She put this sticker on there. I love the way she's made this. It's a really good idea for like sending out some like happy mail. I may have to give this a go, Kim, and make one myself. And then this one you've got some beautiful papers and stickers that side. And then here you've got these two beautiful tags. And I think, yeah, this is an 80. See, it's called Merry and Bright, 1 of 1. Really pretty tag. It's got this beautiful papers on the back, this sticker that she's popped up, and this sentiment. So thank you for sending those to me, Kim. And then there you pop in there. I love the ribbon she's used as well. And then this beautiful papers there. So thank you so much for sending those. And this is the last one, guys. This is number 12. This is the very last one. And in here, oh, look at oh wow, this is a crystal canvas. I have actually done a couple of these. They're quite fun. They're quite fun in the evenings, just to sit down, yeah, and do these. Quite relaxing actually. So it's this beautiful kitten, and then obviously it comes with all the bits to do it. So I'm gonna have fun doing that. So thank you, Kim, for sending that. Thank you again for doing this Christmas advent calendar swap with me. I've had so much fun opening bits that you've sent and that you've made. Really thoughtful gifts and stuff. Yeah, I really appreciate it. So thank you for swapping with me. And then I'm going to share 3 days, because I just haven't got round to opening. I've got quite a few now, but I'm going to share days. What have we got? 6, I think it's 6, 7 and 8 with you from the mystery, like I said, one of the family members advent calendar. I'm trying to narrow it down, and I'm thinking by the sort of gifts, I could be completely wrong, but I do feel like it might be one of the girls that have put this together. Could be both the girls. I could be completely wrong. I could be completely wrong, but I do think it may be one of the girls. But anyway, this is number 6. So let's see and find out. It's quite exciting not knowing as well, I guess, because it's like part of the fun of finding or trying to think of who it could be. So this is number 6. So in here I've got this cute stamp, wooden block stamp, says happy birthday, which is beautiful. I'm always looking for happy birthday stamps. I think that's one of the main like cards kind of thing I make, is birthday cards, that and Christmas cards. So that's really cool. And then I think it looks like a black, yeah, it's a black ink pad. So I don't know what, it doesn't state what make that is. No. So yeah, so that's really cool. So that was number 6, and this is number 7. This one's got a bit of a shape to it, could be buttons or something, don't know. So in here, oh, what do we have in here? Oh, it's Brad's and clip set. Just going to take it out. Oh. So it's Anna Griffin's, and you've got some like metal. I suppose, are these for like journaling or like bookmarks? They could be bookmarks. You could, yeah, use those as bookmarks. So you've got these metal clips, or like big paper clips. Then you've got these pretty brads in here. I love the butterfly one, toadstool one. Got like a frog, birds, a 4-leaf clover, which is kind of cool. And then you've got, I think these are brads, yeah, really big ones. So those, and then you've got a load of little different brads in there. So that's really cool. That's really cool. I love the colours, it's different as well. I love the bee one. So that's really cool. Not what I thought it was. So that's lovely. And then the last one is number 8. So not sure what this one could be. Oh, we've got another. I had these, I think, was it day 4 or 5? I can't remember now. These are like one of my favourite, I can't get into it, chocolates. It's the Frere Rochers. Yep. So that is awesome, and that was day 8. And that's it, guys. That's all I have to share with you in this video. Lots of lovely goodies to create with. Yeah. I'd like to thank you all for watching. I'd like to say a big thank you to Kim for swapping with me, and to my family for this awesome advent calendar that they've surprised me with. And I hope you're all looking forward to Christmas, and I hope you all have an awesome Christmas. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye.